equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the potentiometer and control panel on your Thermomix TM31. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Start by unplugging your Thermomix to ensure safety. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the 4 Phillips screws located at the corners. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the base cover is off, you will see the internal components. Carefully disconnect the wires attached to the control panel. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the connectors. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any wires. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Now, locate the potentiometer. It is usually situated near the control panel. Unscrew the potentiometer using your Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious as you remove it. There may be some dust or debris that has accumulated over time. It's a good idea to clean the area with a soft cloth to ensure everything is tidy before installing the new parts. With the old potentiometer removed, take your new potentiometer and align it with the mounting holes. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is tightly fitted to avoid any future issues. Next, it's time to install the new control panel. Align it with the connectors and gently push it into place. Ensure that all connections are secure. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your Thermomix anywhere. Once the new control panel is installed, reconnect the wires to their respective connectors. Double-check that everything is connected properly. It's crucial to ensure that there are no loose wires, as this could lead to malfunctioning. After all components are securely in place, replace the base cover by aligning it and screwing it back in with the 4 Phillips screws. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and test the new potentiometer and control panel. If everything works smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the parts. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can know the costs upfront without any surprises. This process not only enhances the functionality of your Thermomix but also extends its lifespan. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your perfectly functioning appliance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.